Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox two classic cars and let's meet them. The first one is a 1965 model Ford Ranchero. This is a cute metal pickup van and I have colored it black because it lost its paint. This also has the classic tire system which covers half of the tire. But this car looks so cute. This car has a visible engine, two front doors, and cargo space. Now let's meet the second classic car, which is a 1966 Ford Fairlane GT. This car is much similar to the classic Mustang and Shelby, which are also from Ford. This is a sporty car from Ford, which has two openable doors and 4 seats. I guess you can read this Fairlane. Now what do you think about these cars? Oh, an ant is going. Now let's try who is more faster. 3, 2, 1, start. Now let's check who is the winner. The successful winner is the Ford Fairlane GT. Which car did you like the most? Comment it. If you like both of these cars, click on the like button. Subscribe my channel for more new awesome videos and click on the bell button to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So till our next video, bye.